So why do I think this is better than what we did back then? Well, first of all, it's common practice in our community that we do the stuff that hasn't worked 20 years ago, give it a new name, and then hope it works. But more seriously, the difference is that one of the big problems with 4GLs back then was that somebody at a big company built the language, threw it over the fence to the users, and then that was it. You couldn't change the language, you couldn't extend the language, you had to use what was there. You couldn't adapt it to your domain, you couldn't do anything. And that's different here. I talked about the extensibility of languages built with MPS. Right here is the SQL in Java, but you can build your own extensions at any time. Nothing is fixed, and that's quite a significant difference. So let me show you another system. This was the smallest system I have in my examples. This is the biggest. It's from the German Bundesagentur, that just got renamed, für Arbeit. That's the German employment agency. And they have the whole administrative system for the whole, there's this joke that they solve unemployment issues by just hiring all the people to do government work. But it's a big system, right? Right now, they have 60 developers in 6 Scrum teams developing the application using the languages I'll show in a second. And they have about 10 language developers. It's a system built with Xtext. I guess you may have heard about Xtext. Some of you, I'm sure, have. And just to give you a feeling for the system, they have 5,000 model files, 300 business entities, and all of this will then run on 70 app servers on 15 Linux boxes with 8 terabytes of data. So it's not a toy, right? So again, German. Here, even the language is German, which I have to cringe, right? I'm not so sure I would like that. But the idea here is also that you build a high-level language, for example,